Alright guys, welcome to video 5. What is a money spot? So the money spot is the final area before trade leave. Let's say market is running in an uptrend and rubber band man start running toward the downside and he take a rest, again create a low, again he take a fully rest, not able to create lower low, and price just goes near this higher point, and after that they start running in a sideway. This sideway area called money spot, and this is the final area the before trade leave from this area. So exactly we are looking for buy in this area. A money spot is a battle between simple technical analysis trader against the knowledgeable trader. Knowledgeable trader means the big boys, smart money. A money spot only shows up when opposite party activated. Let's say from here retail traders started selling according to their technical analysis. They have seen this is the SNR or something like that, and another indicator also showing like it is a sell, but actually the big money is headed toward the upside because of fundamental event. And when this big money are activated, at that time the money spot are forming because retail traders are selling it and the big boys are taking it. So when it happens, the market become like a sideway. So this area called money spot. So after that, price move violently from that area. For example, if trend is down, let's say trend is down, the forming lower low, and after that we have seen a pullback. Our job is to sell once you see a pullback. This is our job. When price pull back, a pullback is not a pullback until you can clearly say, I am certain people turn buyer there. Let me explain here. Let's say price goes down and pull back and goes down. All right. Now you can see slightly price goes little bit higher. Do you think the retail trader will think this is the buy opportunity? Absolutely no. All right. So now the retail trader also a seller. So in that case, next price pull back, again goes up. Now retail traders are thinking, simply they are watching right now, okay? And the pullback goes up little bit, and the pullback goes up. So when they are forming higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, now in that area, what retail traders are thinking when they are forming? They are now turned as a buyer. All right. So, but this area, the larger player headed toward the downside, this area is a good opportunity to short. So means in this area, retail trader not a buyer. So in this area, they also not a buyer. So when again and again they are forming like higher high, higher low, now gradually retail trader becoming a buyer. So when retail trader are becoming buyer, at that time big player become a seller. All right.